Hello, this is Dr. Sagarika Mahanta. Today we are going to discuss about attitude. What is attitude? An attitude is a relatively enduring organization of beliefs, feelings, and behavioral tendencies towards socially significant objects, groups, events, or symbols. So this definition has been given by Hogg and Vaughan. In psychology, an attitude refers to a set of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors towards a particular object, person, thing, or event. Attitudes are often the result of experience or upbringing, and they can have a powerful influence over behavior. While attitudes are enduring, they can also change. We don't have the same kind of attitude towards a particular object, person, thing, or even forever. We might dislike somebody for some time, and if we get to know the real thing, then of course our attitude might change towards that particular person or towards that particular object. So it is being said that attitudes are enduring, but they can also change. It is not forever. And attitudes are the result of our experience. Our experience develops our attitude. Our upbringing, the influence of our parents, the social factors, the neighbors, friends, schools, teachers, all these factors have tremendous influence in our life, and they help in the formation of our attitude. Look at the screen. I tried to show some factors influencing attitude formation. The first, see a dog barking at a man, and he's very much upset. He's worried, he's scared. So this is an experience, and this experience will build his attitude towards dogs. He might not love pets because they bark, they try to bite you. So whatever experience you have with a particular thing, that goes a long way in forming your attitude towards the same thing. Then social roles and norms. We tend to follow what the society is trying to show us. The society has a approved norm of behavior, and we try to follow that and develop our attitude towards the society. Then classical and operant conditioning. That means whatever we see here, we see that a man is looking at an ad where a man is having a cold drink or a soft drink. So this might be associated with a holiday. You go to a beach, you see in the screen that when we go for a holiday, when we try to relax, we need a soft drink, and that might be your attitude towards the soft drinks. Then we learn a lot by observing people in environment.